Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am presenting the new art, that is the diamond dots art. This is very new for me as well, and I have just loved doing these dot paintings. These are small diamond dots. Using this we have to fill all the pattern to create something beautiful. And I will share from the scratch. I will open the kit in front of you. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here is this kit called Flutter by Pink in Diamond Dots Art, and I got this from Hobbycraft store. Recently I have shown the complete craft tour of Hobbycraft store in London, and from that store only I got this kit. So after finishing, the final pattern will look like this, and the steps are given on back side of the packages, and all the materials required to create this is included in the pack. The dimension will be 23 by 23 centimeters, the final design size, and everything is mentioned nicely. How many dots are there, how many things are there in the kit, everything is mentioned on the package. So quickly I am just opening the packet and I will show you what all you get inside this. I am super duper excited to do the new art. So we have the pool of diamond dots in different shades, and this is the fabric on which we have to make our design. They have packed it very nicely, neatly inside the airtight container, and tada, the final design is like this, on which we have to do our dot painting. This is covered with transparent film to protect it from dust, and we have to just peel it off while working it. So beautiful and nice print, and also they have given all the instruction in this chart with the pictorial form and with the written form. Each step-by-step procedure is mentioned nicely in approximately 10 languages including English. So we have to just follow the steps, and these are the Fluttered by Project dots. So they are looking so beautiful in different colors. Just opening it quickly, and it has huge variety of all the diamond dots which are required to complete the project. The colors are very vibrant and the quality is very good. The cut of the diamond, each diamond is very precise and very nice. So this is the huge bunch of diamond dots. Then on another packet I have the stylus. Using this we have to pick the diamond to place it on required place. Also we have the funnel tray, and this is the grip. We have to just pass it through the stylus so that it will be easier for us to hold the stylus each time. Very soft grip. Then this is the one kind of adhesive, and this is the funnel tray which have the slots. So this is all included in the kit, and also they have provided the Ziploc poly bags to store the extra diamond dots after finishing our work. So I'm starting with my project. We have to remove the film till the part we are working. Don't remove the film completely, because this is having one special adhesive on the butterfly design, and it will catch the dust very easily. So we have to remove the film only for the small parts on which we are working currently. So I'm starting with the first part, and the green side I will do first. Okay. So there are some different patterns are given on each color, and according to the color we have to choose the right side of the chart. So here I am starting with the tick mark, and the number is A21. So we have to find the diamond dot packet on which A21 is written. That is this one, dark green. So this is A218230, which is mentioned on the right side of the chart. Just opening the package and taking out all the diamonds in my funnel tray. And we have to just shake the funnel tray a little bit so all the diamonds will go upside down and it will be easier for us to pick each diamond. Now taking the stylus, and we have to dip it into the special adhesive. This is quite dry adhesive, not very flowy or like cream one. This is quite like wax. So we have to cover the front part of the stylus using this adhesive wax so that it will be easier to pick each diamond. Like this. And after coating it with wax, we have to not worry about it adding again. It will last for long. Now I am starting with the dark green portion. So opening the film very little, and just we have to grip the diamond and start placing it on the tick marked portion. So wherever the tick mark is given, we have to add these green dots. So I am covering all the parts. It's very easy and very satisfying. Trust me, you will enjoy this process so much. Like this, can you see the shine of the diamonds? It's looking very gorgeous. So quickly I'm finishing it, and the dark green part is completely done. And see, so many of the diamonds are still remaining. They have given the sufficient diamonds and the extra are given. Now I'm starting with the next design, that is the L shaped mark. So I have already taken this packet, which is A15A245, and taken out the diamonds on the tray. The color is very nice. So I will start placing these light green diamonds on the L marking. And I have reached for my last L alphabet, and this is completely covered. See, now the one of the wing is getting shape and the color is so vibrant. And I will finish the one of the wings, and after completing the green portion it will look like this. Now I'm starting with the top portion where this light orange dots will come. So here I'm covering the F alphabet section. Then doing the outline using dark shade. Then starting with the upper wing using pink colors. And I have reached to the last dot on this butterfly using all shades of pinks. Some of the pinks are also on the left side wing, so I am doing the same process because the same kind of pattern is given on the left side as well using the same alphabet or same design. So we have to fill all the portions in one time. If you are using one particular alphabet or particular design using some particular shade of the diamond, just finish this first, then use the another color. Then I am starting with the purple one. And the last touch of the right side wing is completely done. And again doing the outline of this using shade of dark purple. And similarly we have to complete the outline using the same shade for all over the design using the same pattern. And this is completely done. The outlining is done. Now here I have started with the left side upper wing and it's getting nicely shaped of the butterfly wing. So pretty. The shading, the placement of colors, everything is perfect. You have to just find out your pattern and the color according to this and just fill it. Now I'm starting with the number 2. So the number 2 is this. Just opening the package quickly and I will start attaching the diamonds. Now I'm starting with the blue pattern for the lower wing. And finally adding the black color on the middle part of the body and the antenna. Like this, and the beautiful and very gorgeous butterfly is ready. It's shining, it's vibrant. Now we have to just cut the outer edge so that we can frame it. So I'm just marking using pencil so that we can cut it easily. Now I'm just cutting on the pencil marking. And this is completely done and ready to decorate your wall. You can simply wall frame this, you can give this kit to your friends, you can make it yourself, and it's very satisfying, de-stressing, like a meditation. So must try this. and the links are given in description box of the Amazon India. The same pattern I am not getting in the India store, but similar kind you will find it in the store. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this new art. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.